So this is Google Docs. I just want to focus on 3 features. The features I'm going to focus on are the paint format, the headings normal text feature, also the link feature. So I'm just going to start off the paint format. So all I'm going to do first is I'm just going to type in some text. So I'm using Google Docs. I'm using my laptop. So at the moment, both pieces of text are formatted the exact same, but the bottom one, I'm going to radically change the formatting. I'm going to use a different font. I'm going to use a different size. I'm adding bolds, italics, underlined. I'm going to change the text color. I'm even going to highlight it. So I've made the text as different as possible. Now, if you're creating a text and you want all the text to look identical, one of the ways you can do this is if you select the text you want, then click on the paint format option, and then go across it. It will change automatically. Now you might be thinking, oh, there's another way to do that, and there is. If you click hide all the text and click the clear formatting, it will go back to the basic formatting. But if I wanted to change all my text into this option, then we couldn't use the clear formatting, but the paint formatting can achieve that for me. So if you want to copy a certain type of formatting to make it uniform across your whole text, the paint format option is a great way to do that. Next thing I want to show you is how to use the different headings feature, because this is quite useful when we get to our link. So I'm just going to create a heading here. I'm just going to call it page 1. And then I'm going to scroll down, make a new page. Go again, I'm going to have heading 2. I'm going to call this page 2. And I'm going to scroll further down. And I'm going to do page 2 again. I'm going to have page 3. Okay, and now that standardized the front and then the rest follows. You can change the style of your headings with the options. So, for example, if I change the font to Comic Sans, and then I update it, and then standardize that font across both. Now, so we now see this one is also Comic Sans without me having to change it. Okay, so now we move on to the link, which tie in now. So, for example, if I want my page 1 to be a contents page, and I decide to have, for example, first page might be fruit, vegetables, and then I write protein. Fruit is going to link to, straight away before I even in here, it's give us some options here. We've got, I can link straight into page 1, having it, or it's giving me an option of sending us link to the fruit option on Wikipedia or a Californian website. Now, I could, if I had a link I wanted, paste it in. If I wanted to go onto sort of a healthy eating website, maybe I type in healthy eating and go, oh, wait, Healthline, Merriam-Webster. Or I got a link I still want to do, just paste it in. Or if I wanted to say, well, I know on page 2, that's going to be where I'm going to have my fruit, and I can make internal links. So that's the option then. Or what I could do, have the link to a specific page, for example, my YouTube channel. I'm going to paste in my YouTube channel, apply, and we're ready to go.